And these here are squash bug eggs. And what squash bugs will do is they'll bore into the vines of your squash plants and they'll kill your squash plants. So these are bad news. Typically they lay these on the undersides of the leaves, but these here for some reason they laid them on top. So the easiest way to get rid of these is to actually cut off the excess leaves that have these on. It won't hurt your plants, it will actually help them. And here you can see them on the underside of this leaf here. And you can see this one here already had these pre-cut off before, and they laid more eggs on them, so this is going to get cut off, and then we destroy them. And you can see these leaves here just have these things on. The more of these that you can get off, the better off for your garden, and the better your plants will be.